At first, start the stopwatch, then play. I'm going to start with body color with background of this one, and then I need two divs basically, and I'm going to use this selector AB, and I'll give let's do it first. Position absolute. Let's give width and height. Width of 40, and I'm going to use aspect ratio of 1, and background of this one, and you can see that it is 30 maybe, or 35, and let's make it down for 50%. Let's give it pixel value 150, 140, 130, 130, yes, and left 10, 20, 15, right, and increase it to 40, yes, and give it a border radius of 50%. Is it done? Yes. Is it done? It is done. And now I'm going to use box shadow of x-axis is going to be 0, then x-axis is going to be 20 pixels, y-axis is 0, and let's adjust the value then 120 and 100 or 110, yes, 110. Let's look good. 0, 0, and this color. And now $110, right? So let's give 210. And it's probably 200 or not. 220, yes, 220. Oh, and then 330, and it's done. And let's use after content is going to empty, position of absolute, and right is going to be 10, and let's give it a width of it's 40, then it's maybe 60, height of 10, background of this color, let's give it red for visualize. Okay, good. Let's give position relative. Oh my god. Then I have to change the value, right? 140, 100, 120, 110, 130. Oh my god. it sucks. Let's give it absolute for now and adjust the right 20 0 minus 10 40 50 60 70 and now it must be 40 50 30 40 50 50. Yes, that's fine. And top must be 10 15. Yes, yes. What? And now box shadow 110 pixels 0 this color and it looks good. And again this one copy and paste and it's done totally. Let's hit submit and see what's happened. As you can see that it's 100% match and time is 6:47. That's nice. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me show you how to score higher. So what I can do, that position absolute both as right, so I can select A and also A after FTR after position. I can give absolute to both. It's work, right? And background is also going to be same. Okay, box shadow, if I don't get this, and let's copy paste. It's creating issue. So what I can do, let's keep this only. Okay, and give it here. Now let's keep it as it is, and let's remove the all spacing here. And spacing removing right now. And remove also this one. What will happen if we don't, if this to 0? Nothing happened, right? Nice. Nice. This comma also not width, height, box shadow, and remove these two zeros. and we can remove this one also, and also this div also not needed. If we just give it p, what will happen? P, it changes it, right? And let's see the score. Okay, now 606, and if we just hit submit, now it is going to update, and it is going to be higher. How much? 620, just for removing the all spacing and these semicolons. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.